Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given a graph which shows the total amount of money that Ian and Jeremy each have deposited into their savings accounts for the first 7 weeks after opening their accounts. We're asked after they made their initial deposits, how much more did Ian deposit each week than Jeremy? So looking at how much each one deposited each week, first we can look at Ian. So Ian starts at week 0, which is the beginning when they're initially depositing the money, at $100. And then the next week, 1 week later, he's at $200. So in that 1 week, he deposited $100. 200 minus 100 is $100. Then we look at Jeremy. We say, okay, he started out at 300. Then in week 1, he was somewhere above 300. We don't exactly know where it is. But in week 2, we can see he's exactly at 400. So the amount he's depositing each week is 400 minus 300 is $100, but that's the total he's doing in 2 weeks, so we have to divide it by 2. And 100 divided by 2 is $50. And we're asked how much more did Ian deposit each week than Jeremy? Well, he deposited 100, Jeremy deposited 50, so 100 minus 50, he deposited $50 more each week. So C, $50 is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.